Okay, in this video we've got a Connex socket wrench, and one of the springs has gone in the socket wrench. It's the one for undoing rather than tightening up, so whichever way around that is. But yeah, we're gonna replace the spring in that. This is just a cheap repair. This is my personal socket wrench as well, so I don't mind jankifying this one. But we're just going to start by unscrewing the torque screw that's holding the front in, and the two at the back. And once they're removed, the whole thing should just pop off. This thing is a little bit rusty, so obviously, as you can see, it took a little bit of force and a bit of doing. But we're going to give that a little bit of a clean down. And as you can see, one of the springs is fine and the other one is gone. Now all of it's removed, just gonna give it all a little bit of a clean down, find a spring and put it back together. So now that's clean. Right, now we start the struggle of putting it all back together, especially because, well, they're springs, and yeah, this is going to be fun. Making sure to line it up correctly, and make sure it does turn over when you pull the lever when you ask it to. The spring I've chosen is actually from a lighter. I'm going to possibly have to cut this down a little bit and then fit it, but it's only a temporary measure, at least for now. Yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit off the top, at least 1 or 2 cores worth, because the other one's a lot smaller, but yeah, this one's quite dense, so I may have to take a little bit more off, but we'll see. Okay, a little bit tough, but hey, it will do. So pop it back together, give it a little bit of a test, and yeah, nice, quick, easy bodge fix.
Seeing the emotion, anything like that, yeah, it's full of it.
Football's an emotional game, man. Well, Jim, I don't know if I've...
yeah, upon testing it, it does seem to do the job, so job well done, at least for now. Although that might mean it might be putting tension on the other spring, or it might just not last, but we'll find out. I may be at it again, more than likely will be. But that's enough for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more.